Hello friends, a very good day to all. Hope you are doing a great. Today I'm going to share you a video of how to be a creative person. As we all know, there is no time or age limit to show your creativity. What we need is only the right direction, or you can say the way to be a creative person to show our or one's creativity. So here goes 31 ways to be a creative person to show your creativity to the world. First, do what you are underskilled to do. Don't only try that things in which you are perfect. Just open up your mind and do which you don't know. Because by doing that, your creativity will be a different. Second, shed defense mentality. Just be out from the shed which protect you. Once you are out from that, you will know the new way to create that shed. Third, expand your visualization to be a creative. Fourth, do faster than you doubt. The slower you work, more you will lose your creativity. So whenever you get any idea, do it as fast as you can. Fifth, mix unmixables. Creativity is all about mixing the things, which other things that they are unmixable. Sixth, allow randomness. Let us allow something new to come in our creativity by adding something random in your creativity. Seventh, dive deep. To show your best, dive as much as deep you can go in that. 8. Think simple. Sometimes big simple is also the best creativity. 9th, borrow ideas. There is no shame in borrowing ideas. 10th, it's all about connecting the things. If you don't know how to connect the things, you can't be a creative. As we all know, a beautiful painting is only made by connecting all colors together. So, to be a creative, we should know how to connect the things. 11th, to bring out best from you, you have to face your fears. 12th, stay hungry. To create something new and more amazing, one should always stay hungry. 13th, be creative. Don't be afraid of what you are doing. 14th, use what you got. Just like a cook, creative person also needs to make out an amazing ideas from all he have. 15th, sometimes it's good to be a better than perfect. 16th, destroy creatively. If you want to destroy anything, do it in a creative way so that people can wow it. 17th, time changes nothing. You do. Don't wait for the time to change the things. Do it yourself. 18th, be wrong. Sometimes it's good to say 1 plus 1, 3 instead of 2. 19th, don't ask why. Ask why no. Think before you say why. 20th, collaborate. Like big companies, creative person also need to work together with both ideas and needs and works. 21st, try to stretch your ideas or creativity as much as you can. 22nd, serve your reader by making it simple. While creating anything, think like a reader before a creator to get a better result. 23rd, useless unless used. Your thoughts and imagination is useless unless you will use it. 24th, do first, then think. Either do it right now or don't do it. 25th, one man's trash is another's treasure. The birth of creativity always starts from the trash. This trash can be yours or others. 26th, finish before you lose faith in you. It requires lots of patience to be a creative, so don't stop and lose hope in the middle of anything. 27th, listen for the hidden insight to bring out the best from you. 28th, imagine that all is possible. There is nothing impossible. It's only I am possible. 29th, don't try doing, just do it. 30th. It's always too early to quit. So believe in yourself to show how creatively you can do the things. Last but not the least, live like there is no crisis. The original creator is only that who think out of the stocks. So be creative in each and everything you are doing in your life. So show your creativity in doing all the things and let the world know about your creativity. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button. If you want to give any suggestion, do let me know in the comments. Stay tuned for the next video. Till then, stay creative and live creative. Take care.